Very nice, very nice. Another mini helmet. Let's get it on, guys. Pick a team, get one. $5 a spot. Well, 10 you get 2 teams, but you pick one and you get a random. All right, so Justin, Jeremy, Caleb, Nick, KO, David, AJ, and Justin K. Good luck, guys. Fire it up, randomize it up, and we'll plug and chug. See what Team Jin's got 5 times. Justin K's on top. Justin K's on the bottom. All right, that's good there. That's good there. Justin K's good there. AJ, KO, Nick, AJ, Justin K, Justin K. All right, group you guys together. AJ, Packers, Dolphins, Jets, Niners. Caleb, Ravens, Panthers, Browns, Raiders, Steelers, Bucks. David H, Bills, Texans. Jeremy, Cowboys, Jags. Justin K, Cardinals, Falcons, Bears, Broncos, Lions, Chargers, Vikings, Patriots, Titans, Skins. KO, Chiefs, Rams, Saints, Seahawks. Nick C, Bengals, Colts, Giants, and Eagles. All right, if everything looks good there, guys, we'll get it out. You guys are good to go. All right, let's grip and rip. Grip and rip. Sealed up, sealed up, sealed up. Let's get it on. Dallas next. All right. Well, I think Jeremy maybe got him. The next one I think already started. Ooh, what do we got here? Alright, give me a couple guesses. Who do you guys think that is? Give me a couple guesses. Tennessee Titan players. Who do we think it is? Who do we think it is? Henry? AFC South, yep. Ridley? Nope. Any other guesses? I'll give something away if you guys hit it. It's a sweet looking helmet. It's late. It's Javon Curse, the freak. Javon Curse, the freak. 3W297026 for the Titans. The freak. The freak elite. Tennessee Titans. Justin K. Alright, Justin K. There you go, brother. You got yourself Javon Curse Slade mini helmet. Alright. Good deal, good deal, good there. And you got a free spot in the bonus break as well. Alright, man. Sounds good. Let's get you caught up here. Top spot, free spot, guys. 3, 4, 5. KO. 1 for you, brother, and 1 for Justin K. Alright, appreciate you guys. That's number 8. Bonus break 19. That's number 8. Gold Rush Mini. All right, very good. Premium Pack Football, 3 divisions. 3 divisions in Premium Pack Football. Three divisions. NFL jersey, 3 divisions. 3 divisions. Licensed jersey. Gold Rush mini. Yeah, Jeremy got Dallas there. So we have another Gold Rush mini as well. Full-size football, comic book, baseball. Basketball jersey, guys. It's the last one. The last one we got. Last basketball jersey. Alright, guys. Good deal. Justin K, congrats, brother. Thank you.